It's like a weird shadow.
Should we get?
Yeah, the breeches one look a lot the same. We have a ton of those.
And then look at the little drops of rain on the leaves. That looks pretty.
But I was hiking.
Yeah.
You guys have seen this waterfall 1,000 times. But it's still cool. It doesn't always run, but we just had a lot of rain.
Well, these are actually just starting to open, it looks like. These are one of my favorites.
So pretty.
I don't know if you can see that, but like the whole ground is covered in spring beauties. It just looks white. Probably can't see it from this far away, but
Oh yeah, look at all these trout lilies up there.
oh, look at that. Yeah, we're just walking the road because it was really muddy. Look how pretty. So pretty. Yeah, look at all these. So beautiful. We're gonna walk up here to this little spot. It looks super white.
Oh, look down there.
Oh, so beautiful. Oh my goodness.
Actually looks pretty good.
Oh my goodness, even close up it does. Yeah, look at that. Oh man. Do you think the elk even appreciate it?
No, I do not.
Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Oh, the trillium are starting to...
Oh, the trillium are...
We're trying to.
Yeah. That's a good sign, though. I would rather them not be out yet.
Oh, look how pretty. Oh my goodness. It goes all the way up to the top of that mountain. That's insane. So beautiful. Look how big these are. This little mossy tree, that's cool looking. And then here's the trillium.
Oh.
They're not bloomed yet, of course, but... Oh, horses. I wonder if these are the horses that we saw.
Oh yeah, probably so.
Well, we made it to the trailhead. We had to hike to the trail on the road because it's closed still. But this one we've done in the spring before and it was absolutely amazing. Like the flowers.
But we've already seen such amazing flower cover that...
Like I don't know if it can get much better, but we still wanted to try it because this trail is actually nice and flat and it's kind of nice to not be walking on the pavement.
Yeah.
So that's the hope, that it's nice and springy. It looks good so far.
You know what though? I don't think they're completely picked up here. Do you see how there's some of them that are closed?
Yeah, we are a little higher.
Yeah.
I hate when that happens though, because then it's like,
Oh, look down there though.
do you come
my
back?
gosh.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh.
Look at that. It almost looks like there's a dusting of snow on everything. It's a little muddy. Not like good mud really, but a little muddy. Nice and cool. Look, extra purple. That should be, oh, yeah, all down there. So beautiful. Weird how there's like different ones. Can't really see that, but there's like clouds kind of coming down the mountains. It looks pretty cool. I guess because it rained a lot this morning and then cleared off, so they kind of sit in the valleys Looks really cool.
Horse poop. Yeah, it's kind of like dirt. I bet if you could fertilizer. Oh, I bet it's great fertilizer. What's that chicken poop is? Yeah. You trying it? I'm saving it in a bucket. Nice.
Oh, this is gorgeous. With the grass. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. I didn't mean to do that. Flower between my toes. Fancy.
Oh, it looks awesome.
So fancy.
Super fancy.
Look at the color of that trillium. How beautiful that is. There's not too many trilliums out yet. Here's some of the white ones, or cream colored ones. We found some old stuff. This is what we came out down in the woods to see.
That bathtub is
Okay, first look at this. That's gotta be like 100 years old, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Like cans, and then is that like a kettle or something over there?
I can't tell. There's something up there too.
It's funny because you hate to find trash, but like
After a certain point, it gets to be like
yeah, you find like the really old stuff.
Then it's cool.
It's cool. Yeah. Well, oh no, I think it's just a can. It's like a paint can, but I don't know if it would be a paint can. That's like all these look like.
Do you think they might be like food cans?
Yeah, like ration cans.
Yeah.
That's another wash tub.
Weird. People are washing and painting.
Yeah, this one's like smashed. There's more, like tons of these like cans. That's weird because there's tons down here. Tons of these cans. Like some of them are square. And then like wash tubs. It's kind of cool though.
Oh.
I mean, it's sad because at some point someone decided just to trash this.
Yeah, that is pretty sad.
Like 100 years ago or whatever. Oh, look at this patch of trillium.
We might keep this. You think that's okay?
Look at those.
Keep the trash? I mean the bottle.
Oh, trash treasures. Look at these trillium. I've never seen these colors before.
Yeah, these are the same over here.
So cool. We're thinking moonshine still. There's just like so many tubs and so many like, I don't know what the cans would be for though.
Yeah, there's so many cans.
But they're like big cans, like
Yeah,
paint
they
size.
look kind of like paint cans, but then they almost look like,
And like, why would they be paint cans?
yeah. Almost look like
Corn?
they might have been
For the,
like,
isn't that what they make moonshine out of?
the cans of food.
Yeah, see like these kind. Look at the size of this tree.
Oh, look over here.
Well, I guess technically it's just a trunk because I think it's dead.
Wow.
We're just doing a little off trailing. We tend to do that without really meaning to.
Look at that. Wow.
Oh yeah, that
The
thing,
big knot up there.
that thing can fall and kill you. Sure thing. Kinda.
Nice. Metal's coming.
I don't know if you can see the rainbow. The sun's hitting it just right.
It's all wet.
Jess is refilling our water bottles.
Wow, it's like, this is empty.